Things you should never do with makeup. Most of us are makeup lovers, who relish swiping on lipstick and piling on the mascara. For many of us, makeup is almost therapeutic. It is like our daily form of artistic expression, and a creative way for us to represent ourselves and enhance certain features. But wearing makeup all the time is not always a good idea. Now, we aren't speaking from a moral perspective about makeup being good or bad. Sometimes, it can be really bad for our skin. So, we suggest keeping a cleanser and some cotton handy, as you listen the upcoming list of things you should never do while wearing makeup. Before watching this great video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification for all our videos. 1. Embark on a cleaning spree. If you're attacking dust bunnies with a face of makeup on, you need to re-evaluate what is making you do such things. Your skin is exposed to dust, dirt and particulate pollution when you're cleaning, so it is best to shield your skin as much as possible, with masks if needed. Wearing makeup and cleaning increases the layer of products on your skin, making skin vulnerable to a cocktail of acne-causing dirt. For your skin, makeup is more foreign matter, just like a comedian irritant like dust. It sits in the pores and causes pimples. To mix the two together is a recipe for disaster, unless you have an industrial-strength primer on. 2. Have sex. Wearing a full face of products and having sex can be an icky experience. Makeup, especially face makeup, transfers and gets on sheets and pillows, making sex even messier. Plus, when you're cheek to cheek with your guy, the last thing you need to be worrying about is your foundation being scrubbed by his stubble, your lipstick smearing on you and him, and making you both look like the Joker, and your respective facial bacteria and oils mingling with makeup and sweat to cause acne. Many of us are self-conscious when we initially start dating someone, so we wear makeup to bed. But if a guy is really into you, he probably won't care if you take off your foundation. 3. Hit the gym. It doesn't make sense to wear makeup while exercising because you're likely to sweat it off, unless you're okay with wearing waterproof, smudge-proof makeup every time you work out. But it is also bad for your health because sweat plus makeup leads to a breakout from hell. Exercise makes your skin warm, softening sebum and makeup, blending them together into your dilated pores. The result: blackheads and pimples. 4. Go on a long flight. You can wear loads of makeup on short flights. But for the longer ones involving the slightest hint of a nap, you need to avoid makeup for the same reason you shouldn't sleep with makeup on. Additionally, you should also skip makeup because airplane cabins suck every last trace of moisture from your skin, leaving it dehydrated. Use the time on flight to pamper your skin, instead, using sheet masks, hydrating essences, mists and nutritious skin toners on clean skin. Applying these on top of makeup is not only useless but also bad for your skin. Follow these tips in your daily routine and try to protect your face. If you have aware of any other things you should not do with makeup, then comment below to make us aware too. If you like this video, hit like, and if you don't like this video, give us dislike and comment the reason to improve us. Share this video with your friend and family. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for upcoming more beauty tips and other informative videos.